Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Sequoia rear window. We'll start by exploring the most frequent issues that can cause your window to malfunction. Then, I'll guide you through easy diagnostic steps to pinpoint the exact problem. Next, we'll cover practical repair solutions, from simple resets to component replacements. Finally, I'll share essential maintenance tips to keep your rear window operating smoothly for years to come. When your Sequoia's rear window acts up, start by checking the relevant fuses and try a battery disconnect for a few minutes to reset the system. Listen carefully for any clicking or grinding noises from the motor when you press the switch. A click often means the motor is receiving power. Test both the interior switch and the key in the rear door lock. Finally, visually inspect the window tracks and weather stripping for any debris or pinching that might be preventing movement. Many issues can be resolved with straightforward fixes. First, try resetting the window by holding the switch in the up position for about 10 seconds after it's fully closed. If the window is slow or sticking, lubricate the tracks and moving components with a silicone spray. If the motor clicks but the window doesn't move, a new motor is likely needed. For grinding noises or a window off its track, replacing the entire window regulator assembly is often the solution. After any repair, thoroughly test your rear window's full range of motion several times. Remember, the rear window may not operate if the rear wiper arm is not fully in its down position due to a safety interlock. To prevent future issues, make it a habit to operate your rear window at least a couple of times each month. Also, regularly clean the window tracks to remove dirt and debris, ensuring smooth and reliable operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.